Good morning students. Today we are going to read chapter 6 King Purple of our English reader book. So this is a story about a jackal and all of you must have heard about this story. So let's start now. Once on a warm dark night, a curious jackal thought, the forest is getting boring. I need to have some fun. So he went to a town nearby. He was roaming around the streets, overturning dustbins and kicking empty cans. Suddenly, he spotted a large pot near a clothes dyer's house. So children, you can look here some words. Curious. The meaning of curious is interested to know more about things. And the second word is overturning. Overturning means turning something upside down or on its side. The next word is dyer. Dyer is the person who colors clothes. Okay. So let's start now. Once there was a jackal and he was very curious. He always wanted to know about some new things. Once he thought that the forest is becoming very boring and I should have some fun now. So he went to a town. When he was wandering here and there in the streets, just then, and he was overturning the dustbins. Just then he saw a very large pot near a dyer's house. And what did he think then? Now next paragraph. What's this? He wondered. He jumped up to see what was in it. As he jumped, he fell into the pot. Splash! Oh, this is nice on a cold night, he thought. Just then, he was very surprised to see that big pot. And he jumped into that pot to see what was there in that pot. And when he jumped, he fell into the pot. And there was a sound, splash. Now, he thought that this is very nice on this cold night. Now, the next paragraph. In the morning, he climbed out of the pot. He was walking back to the forest when he crossed a mirror. He saw that his coat had become purple. The pot had purple dye in it. Here is the word coat. The meaning of coat is fur or hair on an animal's body. When in the morning he came out of the pot and he was walking back to the forest, just then he saw his reflection into a mirror. And what did he see? He saw that his fur had become purple due to the color which was in that pot. It means there was purple dye, purple color in that pot. What shall I do now? Nobody will recognize me. He sat down on a big round stone to think. देखिए, here is a word recognize. The meaning of recognize means understand who one is. So, the jackal thought that now no one can recognize me. And he sat down on a big round stone. A crow saw him. What kind of animal is this? Oh, I remember. The wise owl had said that a new kind of animal will come and be our king soon. He must be our king. Let me tell everyone. Just then a crow saw him and the crow thought about their new king. And just then he went to the other animals to tell them about the new king. Now the next page. As he flew around, he told everyone, a king has come to our forest. He is resting on a big round stone. Come and see. The other animals were curious. They came to see him. The foxes were leading them all. They bowed before him. Then the crow flew around and he told everyone about their new king. Then all the animals were very curious. They wanted to see their new king. So they all came to see their new king. How wonderful, they think I'm a king. Good for me, thought the jackal and laughed to himself. Tell us your name, O king. An old brown fox said. You can call me King Purple, the jackal said. Please let us serve you, King Purple, the animals said. Then the jackal thought that it's very wonderful that I can become their king, and they are thinking me their king also. So it's very good for me. Just then an old brown fox asked to the jackal its name. Then the jackal said that you can call me King Purple because his body was purple at that time. Then the animal said to him that please let us serve you. We just want to serve you, King Purple. Sure, where are your singers and dancers? They must sing and dance for me and bring me fresh food every day at 3 o'clock. He ordered them. The animals agreed, but one jackal with a crooked tail disagreed. He said he has a face and ears just like us. Just look at his royal color. He is a king, said his friend. Here is the word crooked. Crooked means not straight. Then the jackal said to the animals that where are your singers and dancers? And they must sing and dance for me because I am your king. And you have to bring me fresh food every day at 3 o'clock. All the animals agreed to him. But one jackal disagreed. He was in some doubt. He said that he has a face and ears just like us. And then his friend said, no, look at his royal color. He is a king. He is not like us. Every afternoon there was singing, dancing and feasting in the forest. The monkeys brought lots of fruit. The foxes brought small rats for him. The peacocks danced and the hyenas sang horrible songs. All the animals had a wonderful time. They were all happy. Every afternoon there was singing, dancing and feasting. Feasting means just like party, eating a very big meal. So all the monkeys brought lots of fruit for him. The foxes brought small rats for him. The peacocks danced and the hyenas sang horrible songs, very bad songs. And all the animals had a very wonderful time. They were all very happy. One day the jackal with the crooked tail had an idea. He told all the jackals, when the full moon rises, we all must sing. Then we will know if he is a real king. He invited all the animals for this special singing show. All the animals came on time. The moon was beginning to rise like a big balloon in the sky. At that moment, all the jackals began their song and King Purple sang too, ow, ow. Now, the jackal, who was some doubtful and he had a crooked tail, he had an idea. He told all his friends that when the full moon rises, we all will sing a song so that we can know about this king. And he invited all the animals for this singing show. All the animals came on time. Now the moon was beginning to rise like a very big balloon in the sky. Just then all the jackals began their song and King Purple also sang the same song because he was a jackal. Now turn over the page. Just then it started raining and the color from King Purple's coat began to wash off. The animals cried out, "Hey, look, he's just a jackal." King Purple was fooling us. King Purple heard what they were saying. He ran away as fast as he could, and that was the end of King Purple. After that, he was just another jackal. When all the jackals were singing the song, just then it began to rain. And what happened? Just then the color from King Purple's coat, King Purple's fur began to wash off. And now all the animals understood that it's just a jackal, and King Purple was befooling them. Just then King Purple heard all these things and he ran away from there, and in this way there was the end of King Purple. Now he was just a normal, a simple jackal. Now I hope that all of you have understood this story very well. Thank you.